So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your LG Smart TV that doesn't want to turn on at all. And remember, this procedure can be applied to any other smart TV, not specifically LG TV, but we are using it as our example. First, ensure that you unplug your TV from the main socket. Now once you've done that, just try turning it on with the remote. We do this just to ensure that you drain the TV completely of the power that it has. And now I'm going to turn it on with the remote. I don't expect it to turn it on, definitely. Once you've done that, come and locate the physical button on this particular TV where you have your power on button. Mine is underneath here. This is the button. Now I'll press on it for roughly 30 seconds. Just long press on it for 30 seconds. This is to ensure that you drain the TV complete of the power that it had initially. 30 seconds. Now once you've done that, come to your remote. We need to drain all the power from it again. Remove the battery. So let me remove the back cover, then I detach the batteries. Now long press on the power button once again to ensure that you drain all the power from the remote. 30 seconds again. Once you've done that for 30 seconds, put back the battery. And now plug in your TV to the power jack. And now you can see here it's still lighting to indicate that we are having power getting to the TV. And now let's try turning it on with the remote to see what happens. Yeah, so you see it's back on now, and that is the best procedure for you to apply in case you encounter a scenario whereby your TV is not turning on at all, but you're the last person to switch it off, so you didn't have any power issues. If that worked for you, let me know in the comment section. If it didn't work for you, let me know in the comment section. I'd be willing to assist in any other problem or challenge that you're facing. See you next time. Don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.